2, 3, 4.
Blue skies and coastal horizon, Abu Dhabi. Subscribe. Buckle up and hit the deck. We're going off script and taking the fearless route today. Tune in as I scout the most epic views the Corniche has to offer. The horizon is calling, let's glide.
The Galleria Mall. Always think positive and stay away from fake news and social media. Whatever chaos is in this world, the only peaceful thing is your decision to opt out of the noise. You don't have to carry the weight of the whole world on your shoulders. It is okay to close the tabs, put down the phone, and protect your inner light from the shadows of the internet. Remember, you owe it to yourself to be the calm in the middle of the storm. Whatever chaos is in this world today, don't panic. The headlines are loud, but God is louder. Remember the promise in Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. Panic is a thief that steals your peace and your sunshine. Today, I'm closing the tabs, putting down the phone, and choosing to walk in the light. Even in the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. The world may be shaking, but my foundation is solid. Look at the small realities. On this perfect sunny day, look at the trees, the sky, and the people you love. These are more real and present than a headline from thousands of miles away. Prayer over projection. Instead of projecting what might happen, anxiety, pray about what is happening. It shifts your brain from a state of fear to a state of action.
Today, the Corniche tells a different story. As you can see, the usual. Crowds are missing, the walkways are strangely quiet, given the weight of current events across the region, and beyond there's a noticeable stillness in the air. While the world feels heavy, being out here on two wheels allows for a moment of clarity. We're moving forward, fearlessly even when the streets are silent. You don't have to fight the chaos. You just have to run to your faith and find shelter there. He provides rest in the shadow. One of the most famous passages on safety, Psalm 91, describes God as a bird protecting its young, or a shadow providing relief from the heat. Psalm 91 1-2. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. The meaning: by staying close to Him, dwelling in His presence, you are covered by His protection, regardless of what is happening around you. He grants peaceful sleep. Safety is often linked to the ability to rest without fear, even when things are uncertain. Psalm 4-8. In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety.
Today I would like to encourage you. No matter where you are, God is with you, and He loves you. When the headlines tell you to panic, let His word tell you to be still. He is your refuge and your strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Trust His promise today. Thanks for riding with me through the quiet beauty of the Corniche today. There is so much more to explore, so make sure you're tuned in for part 2 coming up next. If you enjoyed this view, please like, share, and subscribe to help our community grow.